हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। और इस क्वेश्चन में इन्होंने टाइम निकालने को पूछा है। जैसे लास्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में पावर दिया था और उन्होंने टाइम भी दिया था, एंड दे वर आस्किंग टू फाइंड द हीट कैपेसिटी एंड ऑल। तो सेम प्रोसीजर करेंगे, बट यहाँ पे एक डिफरेंस है। सो हाउ डू दे ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न हियर इज इन क्वेश्चन, कैसे वो घुमाते हैं क्वेश्चन को। सो इफ़ यू सी दिस वन, they are saying 30 joule per second. So if you are like conscious while writing or doing your sum, then you will get to know कि जो 30 लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे 30 joule per second, that is nothing but power. Okay, because joule per second is also the unit. Second chapter में पढ़ा होगा. So let's see how we'll solve this one. So mass of squash is given as 0.5 kg. टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस जो है, टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस इज़ फॉर 30 minus 5, which is about 25 degrees Celsius, or the Kelvin, it's the same. And the specific heat capacity of lemon squash is 4200 joule per kg Kelvin. Per kg per Kelvin. Power is given as 30 watt. Okay. So now they are asking find the specific heat capacity. So no, wait, sorry. They are asking how long time. So for time, as we know, the power is equals to Q by T, or work done by time. Right, work done by time. So power is given as 30 watt is equals to Q, will use at MC delta T by here time, which we need to find. Yeah, so T is equals to M, mass is 0.5 into C is given at 4200. Delta T is 25 by 30. Now 0.5 into 4200, so it means half of 4200, which will become 2100 into 25 by 30. 0 to 0 cancel, 3 ones are 370, 70. So 25 sevens are is how much? 175 and then 1 0. This much, this many second. But let's convert it into minute. So if you divide it by 60, so 1750 by 60, 0 0 anyway cancel. So let's divide it by 6. So it'll become how much? So 6 2s are 12 and 5 and 5, 9 6 are 54, and we got 1. So it means 29 minute 1 by 6 of a minute, this one, or we can say it as 25 whole number 1 by 6 minute. So let's convert this 1 by 6 into seconds. So it is 29 minute. So if you'll multiply with 60, so 1 by 6 into 60, so this one cancel by 10 times, so it will become 29 minute 10 second. So I hope all of you understood this part. Do let me know if you have any doubt, and if somebody wants the whole solution of this particular chapter, वो भी बताइए मुझे comments में, or you can text me on the number given below. See you in the next question. Till then, take care. Bye bye.